tabulation method. Tabulation method, it is one of the method which is the improved method of the K-map method, which gives you the perfect reduced form of Boolean expression, and this tabulation method is again used to reduce the Boolean expression. So we go an example, we will go through it. This function term 0, just note of the question here, 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So this is the function term. Yeah. So copy the function term alone. For this given function term, and you know again how to rewrite this function in terms of the min terms. Min terms, as you all know, this is actually the function with 4 variables a, b, c and d. If it is a 4 variable min term, again name the variable a, b, c and d. How will you write the min terms? Start from 0, 0, 0, 0 and end it up with 1, 1, 1 and 1. For our purpose alone, for 0, what is the min term? 0, 0, 0, 0. So according to the tabulation method, first step is you want to go through your function. Then after you go through the function, you want to write all the min terms of the function. Step 2, make a table of your min terms. How will you make a table is, the first column of your min term, your table is group. How are you going to group? Just please note it down. Here 0. This 0 represents how many number of ones present in your first row. That is, if it is 0, the meaning is here the number of ones is 0. If it is 1, all these things are going to provide the number of ones in single row is 1. Here if it is 2, number of ones is going to be 2. Here 3, number of ones is going to be 3. Again 4, number of ones is going to be 4. And of course this you know 1, 1, 1, 1. The min-term representation of 15. Yes or no? Similarly, just keep writing the min-term representation of each and everything. For 1 it is 0, 0, 0, 1. For 2 it is 0, 0, 1, 0. For 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. Please complete this alone. For it better complete this so you can get through there. Or else at least write from 10 till 9, you know, it is 8 is 0, 0, 0. So this is 9, this for 10, this for 11, this for 12 and this for 13. So your third is wherever it is here. Here for 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. For 6 it is 0, 1, 1, 0. For 9 it is 1, 0, 0, 1. For 11, 1, 0, 1, 1. For 13, 1, 1, 0, 1. And finally for 15. So repeat again. So when you go through the function, first write how many variables are there. You write the min terms of all the 16. Because if it is 4, 2 by 4. So 16 combination of min terms, you please write it. Then from the given min terms, you try to combine the terms. Like we are going to rearrange the min terms. So this is your min term. But when you have looked here, this is my actual problem. But 4 is here, 6 is here. When we have combined the terms, 4 comes here and 6 goes here. How we are going to group our min terms is, we are going to group in such a way, when you look at the first group, 0, the meaning is you don't have any 1 in the group 1 at all. If it is 1, for min term 1, I have 0, 0, 0, 1. I have only 1 there. Similarly, I have 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So the total number of ones in that group is only 1. Yes? Similarly, if it is going to be for 2, 6 representation is 0, 1, 1, 0. 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. You please don't think like it is an increased order. How can the 9 come here? Why not the 6 go there? No. Please don't think of the value of the number. It is only a grouping with respect to how many number of ones. So this is the very first step of the tabulation method. So totally we got around 4 groups, 5 groups according to the number of ones. So after this, after grouping your min terms, so this is the very first group. Only after this you want to sequentially follow this. After now what we did here, what is this pairing is, please do check with your minterms. Please listen, check with your minterms. First, start from the very beginning. That is, start from the 0 itself. If this is not there, start from here. So let us start from here. So this representation is 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Now I am going to pair this 0 minterm with other minterms. So first we will say, then we will check with this group again. Okay? I am going to pair this with 1. Say if I am going to pair with 1, what is the value of my 1 minterm? It is 0, 0, 0, 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So when you compare these two things, this bit is same, this most significant bit is same. This bit is same, this bit is same. What about this bit? This least significant, and bit position is not important here. Please check which bit is varying over there. Is it only 1 bit changing or 2 bit changing here? It's only 1 bit. So I can write these both as 0, 0, 0 and hyphen. That is what our second step in tabulation. Third step in tabulation method. Place hyphen wherever only 1 bit changes. Yes or no? So only 1 bit changes. So I have placed my hyphen there. So can I write here as 0, 0, 0 hyphen. So this hyphen can be of 0 or can be of 1. That can be set as a don't care condition. But now I have grouped 0 with 1. Can I group 0 with 2 again? Is it possible? Again check 0, 0, 0, 0. Only 1 bit is changing. Yes? So I can write that again as 0, 0 hyphen 0. Again 0 with 1 I have paired, 2 we have paired, 0 with 4 is this a possibility? So when you check it here, so 0 hyphen 0, 0. Again 0 with 8, 0 with 8, it is hyphen here. So hyphen 0, 0, 0. Please do check with other possibilities also. 0 with 6, I can't do. 2 changes are there. See, 2 bit changes. 0 with 9, no. 0 with 11, no. 0 with 13, no. 0 with 15, of course, no. Okay. Now, you please don't mind this group now. We'll go move on. Then we discuss that. Go with number 1 again. That is, we are going to consider the minterm 1. This representation is 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the major for me now. Can I combine this one with 2? Can I combine this with 2? Can I do it? See, this is changing, this is also changing. So I should not. Can I combine 1 with 4? No. Can I combine 1 with 8? 1 with 8 also I can't do. 1 with 6? No. 1 with 9? Yes. Yes or no? See, 1 is same, 0 is same, 0 is same. Only 1 bit is changing. So 1 with 9, where should I place the hyphen? The first place, yes? So hyphen 0, 0, 1. Similarly, 1 with 11, is it possible? 1 with 11, no, not at all. 1 with 13, no. 1 with 15, no. Then I'll go to 2 bit. That is my second minterm. Second minterm 0, 0, 1, 0. Please do hide these everything, all the above fellows. 0, 0, 1, 0. Can I combine with 4? No. 8? Not at all. 6? I can do it. Yes or no? So when I combine this with 6, I get hyphen here. 1, 0 here and it is 0 over here. And when you combine this with 9, no. 11, no possibilities. 13, no. 15, no. That's it with 2. Go with the fourth term. That is fourth minterm. Again 0, 1, 0, 0. Please check with all the possibilities. So it can combine only with 6 again. When you are going to combine with 6, this is same, this alone varying. So this alone varying 1, 0, 0 here. And when you finally come with 8, you can combine with this fellow, no. With 9, yes. So 1, 0, 0 hyphen. And finally 8 with 11, no. 8 with 13, no. 8 with 15, no. So it is done. When you combine these two, when you look at these two for now, for just sample, just listen. When you check with these places, how many ones are here in these variables? cells? Can you find any one? No. So that they all grouped together as group 0. Okay? And when you check over here, number of 1 there is 1. Number of 1 there is 1. Number of 1 here is 1. And finally number of 1 here is also 1. See? So can I group all these pairs as coming under group 1? Why? Because number of 1s there is 1. Okay, we will proceed. Maybe you can include this column finally also. You can rearrange according to the number of 1s. Then you can say this is group 0 as the number of 1s is 0. Group 1 as the number of 1s is 1. You can proceed. Going with the where are we now? Till this we have completed. Yes or no? This is not like something you want to memorize. From the beginning you want to pair with all the midterms and keep proceeding. And when you come here, where are we? Here, pair 6. Yes? Okay, this you can pair with again here, no. 9 you can pair with 11. Yes, of course. 1 0 hyphen and 1. And 9 you can pair with 13. You can pair with 13 again. This bit is varying. So 1 hyphen 0 1. And any other possibilities? 9 with 15? Not at all possible. Going with 11. 11 can you pair with 13? You can't pair with 13. And 11 you can pair with 15. 11 pair with 15 is 1 hyphen 1 1. And 13 pair with 11? No. 13 pair with 15? 1 1 hyphen 1. So now you can understand this. As you have number of 1s here 2, they come under the group 2. As you have number of 1s 1, 2, 3, they come under the group 3. Here we stop. Why? Because we are not left with any other midterms here. That's all. So that is your table 2. So table 1, simply you write all the midterms. You are going to rearrange the midterms according to the number of 1s. Table 2, you are going to pair the midterms. How are you going to pair the midterms? Simply check with 1 bit change in the midterms. On that case, pair them, and finally group according to the number of 1s. And repeat the same step. Again you are going to do pairing until you see there is no pair, there is no 1s left out. So followed by table 3, you are going to check with the pair again. Now you are going to do, here we wrote the word as pair, where here you are going to write the word as quad. What is quad? Quad is nothing but 4. Pairing in the sense, initially we had only variables, 1 midterms. So thereby we have paired the midterms, there were only 2 pairs, two values in a pair. Whereas here you are going to combine the pairs. So it is said to be quad. So 0 1, can you combine with this? Again the same concept, 1 bit, 1 position, 1 bit change should be there. Can you combine 0 1 with 0 2? No, not at all possible. 0 1 with 0 4, 0 1 with 0 8, and finally, so please check this alone, 0 1 with 8 9. Then when you just go through these things, it's easy for you. Yeah, just check 0 1 with 0 8. The thing is, the last bit you have don't care. This bit is 0, this bit is 0, and what about the first most significant bit? It is 1 here, it is 0 here, so I can write that as hyphen. So here these 3 are same, all the last 3 bits are same. Here it is don't care, here is also don't care. So I should assume they both are same money. I shouldn't think whether it is 0 or 1. No, don't care in both the cases. And now it is going to change 1 bit. It is 0 here, it is 1 here. So now I can combine 0 1 and 8 9. So that is going to give me hyphen 0 0 hyphen. Similarly, when you go through the other things like this, that has only one possibility. Go with the 0 2. When you check with that 0 0 hyphen 0. Try to combine later on. When you check with that, this 0, don't care, 0 is already existing. You have 1 here, you have 0 here. Where that represents 1 bit change. So of course I want to represent that as hyphen. So that gives me this combination. And finally when I check, 9, 11 can be paired with the 13 and 15. So that is going to give me again 1. So 9, 11 is 1, 0, hyphen 1, 13, 15 is 1, 1, hyphen 1. So that's going to give me only 1 bit change. So 1, hyphen, hyphen and 1. When you check all the pairs again and again, you shouldn't get any combination of 1 bit change itself. Then you stop your pairing. So when other than these 3 combinations, check the tabulation, same tabulation again and again. Whether you are able to get any combinations of 1 bit change, repeat the procedure. If not, this is the final. Again come to this tabulation, check it here. Can you pair this part with this part, or this with this, or this with this? On that case, you want to again check it. You want to again pair. If not, this is the final. So this is my final, where this is represented as prime implicants. All these 3 are represented as prime implicants. There I want to write my equations. So here again this grouping you all know. You have none of the ones here, so 0. You have only 1. No, you have 2 ones here, so it is 2, not 1. And finally you are going to write the expression now. So this is done with the equation. Now we are going to frame. This is nothing but, this is don't care, man, leave that. It can be either 0 or 1, so leave it. 0 in the sense it is B bar, it is C bar. And next this equation is A bar, B bar. And here it is A and B. So this is my final expression. Before you go conclude with the equation, summing up all the things, B bar, C bar plus A bar, D bar plus A and D, that is going to be your final equation. But before you go sum it up, I would suggest you to go draw your prime implicant table. So A bar, B bar plus A, D. This is your final function. But before you conclude, draw this prime implicant table. As we said, this table has, the column is your prime implicants. And row your midterms. Midterms, whatever was represented was given in your questions. Please do consider this. So this is your first prime implicant, B bar, C bar. Go consider this midterms alone. So that prime implicant was provided by 0, 1, 8, 9. So place 0, 1, 8, 9 in place 1. Number place value of 1. Similarly, this prime implicant was given by 0, 2, 4, 6. So place value 1 in all the 4 midterms. Similarly, for this 9, 11, 13 and 15. You are going to place all the midterms 1 in all these midterms. Now please check with this tabulation. When you find any more or less maximum overlapping of ones, then you can leave those expressions. If not, consider everything. When you see B dash, C dash, this is unique for 1 and 8, where they both doesn't have at all. So include that in your final expression. When you consider A dash, A bar, D bar, all these 3 values are unique. There is no overlap at all. So consider this also for final expression. And when you consider the midterms of A and B, all these 11, 13 and 15 are unique. There is no overlap. So consider that also. So this is going to be your final simplified Boolean expression which you got through the tabulation method.